Nothing is more annoying than a computer that won't boot to the desktop. So knowing how to get Windows 10 working again is a skill every IT professional should know. In the upcoming lessons, I'm going to show you how to manually repair the worst Windows 10 boot problems that you might encounter in the real world. But before you go through those techniques, you can start with some tasks you can do to get Windows 10 booting again quickly. To quickly repair a Windows 10 startup problem, it is useful that you understand what can cause those boot problems. Among these problems, improper shutdown. Improper shutdown is by far one of the common causes of Windows 10 being unable to boot. The improper shutdown can be a result of a user forcing the shutdown of the computer by holding the power button for 4 seconds, or by pulling the power cord out from the wall. An improper shutdown can also be the result of a power outage, and in some parts of the world this can be quite common. An improper shutdown can corrupt some startup files and even the startup partition. In this case, you might need to use advanced methods I will cover in the upcoming lessons. A bad driver can also cause a Windows 10 boot failure. That can include a hardware driver that's not compatible with the Windows 10 version. Hardware change or update can also cause Windows 10 to not start. Windows updates, in some cases, can cause Windows 10 to fail to boot. By the past, Microsoft released Windows 10 updates, which caused some inconvenience to users, from users unable to connect to the internet to users unable to boot their computers. This can be repaired from the Windows recovery environment by uninstalling the buggy Windows update. Malware can corrupt startup files or change registry keys that lead to Windows 10 boot failures. After repairing the boot issue, you need to perform a complete computer scan with the antivirus to remove the root cause of the boot failure. There are ways to easily fix common startup problems and help you get up and running quickly. Some of them are damn simple, like turning the device off and on again. Yeah, that old trick works. Undoing what was done is usually a good way to get the computer to work again. If, for example, a new piece of hardware has been installed or a piece of hardware has been replaced, changing things back the way they were before will often get the PC to work again and will give you the time to diagnose the cause of the problem. Using a minimal boot configuration can also help. Unplugging all unnecessary cables and devices like USB drives and other USB peripherals, unplug the network cable. It can help to start the PC and let you identify the device that causes the problem. Booting with or without the power cable, maybe the computer has not enough power to boot properly. Also, changing the power brick or the power plug that might be damaged can help to get the computer to boot again. If none of this work, you need to go through the advanced troubleshooting techniques I will cover in the upcoming lessons.